Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I don't know if this will be like probably just be like a little quick video, I guess, for you. But in my last video, not my last one, but when I cleaned my car, I had rust iron all over the back of my car. I still need to clean this off and stuff too, but it's got little rust iron all over the back of it, and we're gonna try to take all that stuff out today. So, do you want to show them like what all we're gonna be using? Clay bar and
clay bar and this stuff.
Iron remover. Yep. And we'll probably want to clean the whole back of it off with just some like all-purpose cleaner.
All-purpose cleaner. And then I've got my own quick detailer shit too if we need to. I'll probably just use that for lube for the clay bar. Right.
And then we'll probably want to do like a quick little wax after everything's done, so that it'll seal everything up.
I just gonna use this stuff. It's good.
Yeah, I mean, that'll be fine. Whatever will.
Any wax is better than none.
Right. Something to protect it. So.
I'm trying to get this clay warmed up. It's fucking cold.
Yeah. Okay. So let's clean this up real quick and then see what we can do with this. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take off the license plate and stuff too, but now that it's all clean, you can see like all of these little brown spots all over it. If you have a white car, I think this happened throughout the winter, like whenever it snowed and stuff, but you're like here in person, like that one right there is really bad, all of those. So, alright, first step, clay bar. And I guess your little instant detailer stuff first, just for some lubrication. Yeah. Wetter the better. See if it'll touch anything like that. Nope. Nope. So clay bar didn't touch anything, but we're going to head clay bar the entire rear end of the car, and then throw on the
step 2
iron. What is it? Iron remover. That's it. Just iron remover.
Yeah, it's just Adam's iron remover.
Yep. All right. After clay bar, if you scrub the crap out of it, you can get some of them off with the clay bar, but as you can see, there's still some iron deposits and stuff on them. Right through here. I feel like if you were to scrub the crap out of it for probably about an hour with the clay bar, it'd probably come off, but now we're ready for the iron remover. Alright, it's been about a minute so far, but you can see a lot of those iron deposits, they're like dripping down. So it is working, but let it sit for a little bit longer. Spray it again for the second time. Vince was saying that you want to make sure that it doesn't dry on the car.
Yeah, it'll actually stain your paint if it dries.
It'll stain it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I don't want it to dry.
Alright, it's been a few minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and spray it down with an instant detailer. Go ahead. And see if these spots will come off.
I'll probably have to wipe on it too.
Yeah.
Nope, they're still there. Clay bar it all, I guess. Or we didn't let it sit long enough.
Alright.
We might not let it sit long enough. It says 1 to 5 minutes.
Like some of them came off,
but there's
still a lot of them on there.
Yeah.
Alright, also if you guys are interested in this stuff, I'll have it linked down in the description below. You guys can pick it up at Amazon. It's not doing the best of job that we were expecting, but I'm gonna go back over it again and clay bar it again, and hopefully I can get it off the clay bar. So let's do that. Alrighty guys, after the clay bar for the second time, I went through and probably spent another 30 minutes of just working the clay bar on each little spot, and pretty much got every single spot out. So you can see it looks 10 times better. All the real nasty stuff that was on there is all gone. But now we just have to throw on we just gotta throw on some wax and then let that sit for like 5 minutes or so, and then wipe it off, and then I'll pull it outside and let you guys see it too. Yeah, this is a good representation of how everything looked. Look at that glitter, holy crap. That clay bar, man, it just like brought the shine completely out. It's gonna shine even more once we actually wax it and stuff. But look at that. Just look at the way that the paint just shimmers with that light. Wow.
But if you look at it though, you can see a lot of the hazing from that clay bar.
Right. Yeah, it'll come out once we wax it and stuff though. Yeah, that looks 10 times better. Hell yeah. All right. Clay barring it is definitely the way to go. I feel like the Adams iron remover, it worked a little tiny bit. I think it helped, but it didn't do everything. I don't know if I didn't let it stay on there long enough. I think I left it on there for like maybe 4 minutes. But clay barring it, I went through and actually like scrubbed the crap out of it. But the car, it looks so much better. Got rid of all of those iron deposits. It looks really, really good. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, keep it random. Peace.